My name's David Coley. I'm the director of the model shops and the 3D printing and 3D labs here at Art Center College of Design. We have a real strong tradition of transportation design. We have pretty much, I've heard, an alum in every major transportation design house in the world. Right across Europe, Porsche, BMW, England is Ford. If a company come in and sponsor a project, it could be for transportation, could be a car design for the future 20 years out. It could be any of the big car companies. One and all of the car companies have come in at some point and done a sponsored project with the school. The students will work for 14 weeks. They will create concepts, they will build models and iterative pieces, and then the end of that term they will complete a final model. We primarily work in fifth scale, which with our 3D printing capability is great in the fact that we can print a lot of the wheels, a lot of the component parts for those cars. So Objet and the other equipment that we have will be used a lot for smaller components on the car models to fifth scale. We're not surprised at the number of companies that come in and we do tours and we take them around the 3D labs and around the shops. So when they come to the school and see that we have the Objet machine and other equipment, it makes a difference. It gives us an edge. An example of that would be a few terms ago we had the head guys from Jaguar come over from England, and they brought the new XR, I think it was at that time. And a few of the students were gathered around the vehicle, we were looking inside, looking at all the stuff. And that was one of the questions that the students asked, how much of this was developed using 3D printing? And the guy said, most of everything on that car, the whole interior, everything was created with 3D printing. The product students, the transportation design students, we've got to set students up for real world experience. They've got to go out and they're going to be placed in these companies, and they're going to have to be really on the leading edge of technology. If they're going to go into places like Ford, Toyota, they're going to go into big design studios. It's going to be, they're going to have a lot of tools and a lot of experience under the belt. We're trying to get them prepared for when they go out into the real world.